Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to stop recent files from showing up in Start and File Explorer on Windows 11. First of all, I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So I'm going to go to Start, and as you can see, I have a couple recent files here from 5 minutes ago. Now you can right-click on these and select Remove from List to get rid of them, but there's a much easier way to do this to make sure that it doesn't even show up in the first place. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and Start. Now I'm going to go to File Explorer, and as you can see, recent files are showing up here as well. So I'm going to close this. To fix this, you're going to go to Search and type in Settings. Go to Open, go to Personalization, scroll down to the bottom, and go to Start. It says Recent Apps and Items and Folders. And then turn off Show Recommended Files in Start, Recent Files in File Explorer, and Items in Jump List. To turn it off, flip the switch to the left. And I'm going to go out of the settings. Now I'm going to go to Start again. And as you can see, it no longer shows up. And if I go to File Explorer, once again, it no longer shows up. So that is how you stop recent files from showing up in Start and File Explorer on Windows 11. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.